Do you think you know Excel? Lesson 1, how to highlight the top value between too many numbers. This tool is very simple and very helpful tool. First thing you should, or you may think of, is filtering the numbers so you can find the highest number, but that is it will not really help you if you want this to happen automatically all of the time when the data updates or something like this. What I mean is, if you use a filter here, okay, it will appear that the potatoes man with the value 20 is the top number and the other numbers will disappear from the screen. No, I don't want this. I want all the numbers to be appears in front of me, but just the top number highlighted with a certain color that I choose. And the most important thing here is, if the numbers it changed, it will automatically highlighted with the color you choose for the top number. Let's see, and we will understand more. At first, I will select the numbers, all numbers that I want. I will go to Home tab, Conditional Formatting, and I will choose Top and Bottom Rules. From here, you can find top 1 or something like this, but you have top 10 items. Top 10 items, but when you click it, you will find that you can control how many numbers you want to see. I want to see just the top 1. From here, I can choose a color. Let's choose something like green, and okay. Now the top number is highlighted with green, but the good thing here that if you changed any number for any reason, like this 23, when I click enter, this is now the top number, so it's highlighted with the green, and this get back to the normal. Okay, that's very easy when you see small numbers like this. Maybe if we try it on something different. Distributor totals, I want to know which month I had the top number or the bottom or less or smallest number. Condition formatting again, top and bottom rule, but this time I will choose bottom 10 items. As we saw previous, I will choose just one number with red, okay, and click okay. Now I can see which month is the smallest number. It's a very useful tool and also very easy. I will try to do a lot of lessons like this, very small lessons with some tools and some tips and tricks. Maybe you don't know about Excel, so subscribe to my channel and like the video if you really like it. Goodbye, see ya.